Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, just access clock by tapping on it. Now select alarm at the bottom left corner and click on this plus icon. After that, you need to set up an hour. When you're ready, click on days of the week that you wish to set up over here and tap on the switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. Now click on label and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Save your label by choosing OK. Now tap on ringtone and tap on the best melody for you by tapping on the one that you wish to set up and going back. You can also choose add new objective here, pick music from your smartphone and go back. When you're ready, tap on save at the top right corner, and as you can see after that, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. In order to turn it back on, tap on the same one. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, then click on it and choose delete icon over here. If you wish to adjust even more alarm settings, you can do that by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting settings, and adjusting them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!